Hi there, I'd like to invite you to a free event that I'm going to be hosting on the Ignite Visibility YouTube channel where we are going to cover Google Analytics 4. Now, Google Analytics 4 is really important, and it's important you learn about it now for one reason, and that's because everybody has to upgrade to Google Analytics 4 in a matter of months in 2023. But what a lot of people don't understand is that you have to upgrade and move from Google Analytics 3 to Google Analytics 4 in the correct way. In this free event on our YouTube channel, we're going to cover everything that you need to know, and we're even going to give you an actionable checklist for how you can set up Google Analytics 4 for your business. In addition to just having to do it, everybody who doesn't set it up is going to be at a disadvantage if they don't do it sooner rather than later. And the reason is because Google Analytics 4 is going to tie directly into your paid media, your overall digital marketing strategy, and that's because of the machine learning associated with Google Analytics 4. It's going to be able to do predictive analytics and help you build audiences that you can use for your digital marketing overall. Here's a few more reasons why you should attend the event. You're going to learn about future-proof data collection. You're going to learn more about the machine learning powered analytics. You're going to learn about how it integrates with YouTube and reporting. You're going to learn how it can create predictive audiences of customers who will convert better or customers who could even churn in your business. And you're going to learn about how Google Analytics 4 allows you to see the whole customer journey across all of your different digital marketing channels, a thing that we've wanted for a really long time. You're also going to get access to our GA4 data tracking and launch plan, and that's going to make sure that you get to set up the correct measurement and strategy as you get into your new analytics tracking system, Google Analytics 4. In this event, I'll be joined by 2 directors from Ignite Visibility. It's going to be packed with a ton of value. We're going to have a lot of fun. We'll have live chat running. Go ahead and sign up now. I can't wait to see you there.